Almost a week ago, Hong Kong encountered an unusual widespread of heavy rainstorm in the month of March. From Tuen Mun to Yuen Long, from Sai Kung to Kowloon Tong, we saw giant hailstones hitting different parts of Hong Kong. In Kowloon Tong Station, we were shocked to see the rainwater pouring onto the MTR tracks like a wart curtain. On the indoor platform downstairs, flooding was also reported. The elevator did not escape from the water either. Meanwhile, in Wong Tai Sin Station, staff was trying to block the MTR entrance as water kept streaming in. Now let's see what happened in Festival Walk. The rain poured into the shopping mall in Kowloon Tong, causing flooding in various parts of the mall interior. Due to the broken rainwater pipe, curtains of rain poured through the glass ceiling of the 7-story shopping mall. Shops and restaurants nearby were closed to clean up the mess. Shoppers were taking pictures and videos. Some questioned whether it was safe to let people inside this area while the situation was out of control. Now let's look at how hail is formed.
Large hail can form inside thunderstorms. Thunderstorms have an inflow of warm, moist, unstable air that, because it's warm and moist and unstable, it rises upward in what we call the updraft, which can sometimes exceed 100 miles per hour in thunderstorms. That can allow the hailstone to stay there and grow to very large sizes. But initially, the hailstones begin as tiny water droplets. The air rises, cools into tiny droplets, and then gets to an altitude in the mid-levels of the storm where it's below freezing. At that point, you have a little ice ball that then becomes the nucleus for the formation of growing hailstones that gather these water coatings and then freeze on top of those until the hailstone grows bigger and bigger and bigger with time. It's meandering around in the updraft, being levitated by that updraft as it continues to grow, and because the updraft is so strong, sometimes that can allow for the hailstone to grow to very large sizes, and here you're seeing over 3 inches in diameter. The biggest hailstone recorded in the United States reached a diameter of 8 inches. So sometimes with those violent updrafts, we can get some very large hail, and it can occur in just about any state when conditions become unstable and favorable for severe thunderstorms.
It is said by the observatory the largest hailstone was the size of a golf ball. These photos appeared and were circulated on the internet the night of the storm. But should we question whether or not they are real? Some may be pretty obvious. But what about this one? Or this one? Can hail form in squares? We receive a lot of information on the internet, but we should also learn to judge for ourselves whether or not they are real. These pictures were taken at different angles at the same place. This could be a way that would tell us that they are real. Think about this next time you see a picture on the internet.